everybody, welcome back. I am Jazz, in case you didn't know, new to the channel. Thanks for finding me, whether it be a referral or just randomly looking for me. No, I'm really not that self-absorbed, in case you're new. But anyways, today I will be reviewing the automatic fruit mask machine. Ooh. So, I've kind of played around with it for a little bit and kind of did a little bit of trial and error for the first time. Alright, so like I said, I've already opened it up, kind of experimented a little bit, did the trial and error. So, comes out with a little face plate. Looks like my face, right? Alright, and then it comes the machine. Look. Ooh, right? Alright. And what I learned, you'll need the water. Not very much. I mean, what, 20 milliliters, I think? Oh, only 6 milliliters. So, only right here. Not much at all. And you'll need some fruits mashed up or pre-chewed, however you want to say it. No, I'm joking. Mashed up and pureed, should I say. And then, one thing I did not know until the first time I did this video, so that's the reason why everything's not unboxed like I do some of my videos, because a lot of trial and error. You need collagen peptide, and I have the powder version that I use in my green drinks. Yeah, that didn't work. What you will actually need is these little peptide pills. What do they look like? I have no idea. I haven't opened it yet. There it goes. So they're not even the normal digestible capsules that you take, because that's originally what I thought. But after doing a little bit of research, it's actually these little peptide masks, and they're called effervescent masks, peptide pill thingies. So now I can officially, truly review and try this machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up as you're supposed to with the little steps. It takes about 5 minutes for it to go from the machine out here. So in that time, I'll be taking off my makeup. So I'm sorry if I scare anybody afterwards. I'm just kidding. I'm not that self-conscious. I already know that I scare people. Maybe because I look at them weird. Expect it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is plug it in.
Welcome to use Smart Fruit Facial Mask Machine.
Oh, thank you.
Please pure water.
Okay, well let me pour the water first. I need 60 millimeters, shall we? 60 millimeters. Milliliters. Millimeters are inches. Well, length measurement. That's what I meant. You know what I meant. Alright, so we're going to add here to water. And just so you know, this
Please pure water.
is very impatient, as you can see. So, we're going to pour the water in.
Please add the nutrient solution.
Hold on, I just poured water. I think I'm going to do it with mangoes first, because it'll taste good afterwards. Alright, so we need 20 milliliters of this.
Please add the nutrient solution.
I'm pouring right now. Patient woman. Alright, so we got 20 milliliters. And I poured in before this woman starts demanding it again.
Please add the nutrient solution.
I'm trying.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
Gosh, this woman's so demanding, isn't she? Alright, so that's done. Now we need...
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
I'm trying to explain to people. Hold on. So now we need these special pills. The peptide collagen, which is supposed to make you look youthful and younger forever.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
Oh my gosh, alright, so we're going to drop it in. Make sure that it's on this little this face looking thingy. And the actual power button or start button is what she's demanding for.
Collagen peptide and press start button.
Is this button right here, not this power button. The power button is for cleaning. I've learned that the easy way. Learn from my mistake. All right, so I'm mistaken. You're going to hit the power button. This is a power button to start it. This is for the cleaning, just to be clarified. All right, so we're going to hit it.
Please wait while processing.
All right, so make us fine taking off.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
And we got to listen to what she says. So the release button is going to be the one on top. I'm not sure if you can catch it on camera, but there's a little bit of steam that's coming up. So we got to let the mask
Please
cool.
put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
So the liquid is very, very, very warm, just so you know. Okay. So, all right, that's done. And just to give you a little bit of background, little tidbits, the machine itself.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
Okay, that's done. Is everything out? Look, I'm pushing the button. Nothing else is coming out. So, I'm going to plug it because she's going to continuously repeat herself and it's going to get kind of annoying.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
Alright, so the machine itself is slightly warm to the touch. It's nothing that's going to burn you. However, after mistakenly touching this, it is pretty warm where you're not going to want to touch it because it's going to hurt a little bit. My finger's red. That's what touched a little bit of the solution. So just to give you a heads up, it does need to be cooled. It seems like, looks like kind of like a regular mask. We'll see if it works. Also, to give you a little bit of, where to get my mask on? Just rub it in. So just give you a little bit of more information as far as fruits and vegetables. Putting that on your skin can be really good for you. I actually put a little bit of I have done it before. I haven't done it lately, which I probably need to. Just getting some aloe vera, the plant, the big long leafy plant. Not the one that's in the jug that you see where it's the 100% the plant itself, the aloe plant. I bought it at Walmart, any other farmer's market, things like that you can find it in. Just chop it open, scrape the little jelly insides, and throw it in the blender to get it kind of more of a pastiness, so to speak, where it's a little bit more liquefied rather than the solid gel pieces that you can scoop out. And then just brush it on your face, and I've gone to sleep like that. It actually helped out quite a bit. I usually have more drier skin, especially into winter when it's cold and I just want to stay inside and sleep. I know I'm not the only one. No, I'm not the only one. Sorry. So yeah, I know I'm not the only one that does that. Doesn't want to go out in the winter. My skin gets extremely dry in the winter. Probably in general, I have more drier skin just because I don't really take care of it like I need to. But I have slowly started changing that. I've been washing my face at night. I'm very proud of myself for that. So yeah, just kind of give you a little background. Different vegetables are going to have, different fruits and vegetables are going to have different health benefits for your skin. Like I said, aloe vera is really good with moisture, keeping that healthy, youthful look. The collagen peptide is going to help you have that usefulness, the elasticity, so you can do this with your skin and it not just go like this afterwards. Yeah, give me an idea. So let me see, is this warm to the touch? Nope, it's still warm. Still touch it. So we're gonna give a few more minutes to brush up, and I'll be right back. All right, so as you can tell, it was done. It took maybe a minute or two for it to actually cool down and gelify. I will let you know that if you do not use the right collagen peptide, yeah, I wouldn't be able to do this. So even if I use like regular powder, I guess there's something else mixed in with it that makes it gelify more. So just a heads up. All right, so I'm going to take this out and see how it fits. Ew, it's slimy. Okay, well, that doesn't work. I think it works. Let's see. Do I go to the piece right there? Right there? Let's see. I got more pieces? Yeah, I do. I've got more pieces right here. Just listen on here. Okay. What do you think about my mask, people? What do you think? Is there any more pieces right here? Yeah, I'm thinking this might be a tad bit of a fail. Just a tad bit. What do you think? Yeah. Hey, it sticks to my face better than it did my hand. See, look. Oh, wait, I feel it falling. No, it actually sticks to my face pretty well. I'm impressed. Okay, let me apply the rest of it then. Go. There. Forget everything. I'm afraid to look down. Oh, wait, gotta get it under my eyes. Maybe my nails are the problem. Because it seems like once you kind of cut it, it kind of disintegrates after that. I don't really feel like I can talk very much. I feel it sliding down. Okay, I think this might be a tad bit of a fail. I'm going to try out a couple more masks throughout the week and let you know whether this is definitely a deal or if this is about as good as it gets. I will plan on getting my nails cut just a little bit shorter, so maybe, like I said, that might help a little bit. But if not, it might just lay down that bit. So apparently I need my neck a little bit more moisturized right there. My body knows what I need. The mask knows where it needs to go. A little bit. Okay, so one thing I wanted to point out as this falls out, I love the box. I'm guessing this isn't American because on the box it says healthy for skin, healthy beauty tool to care for your smile. I'm not sure how my face mask will affect my smile unless I eat it. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest doing that. Not the tastiest. Any more mango in it. Definitely more mango. So, as of right now, this is about as good as it's gonna get. And funny thing is, I'm not even that warm right now, and it's just sliding down. So just imagine if I'm hot like I normally am. I'm pretty sure this would have already done melted out and been in my eye like it is right now. So, let me know if you've tried this machine. What are your thoughts? If you use any special combinations, let me know. Because I might be trying this again. If I can see tomorrow. Because right now this mango's really going into my eye. So, before I lose my vision, I'm going to sign off. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay jazzy, guys. I probably took it out too soon.